arrived to the airport. We are heading on our flight. Gonna get some food. And we're gonna be heading to Belize. Literally. I'll see you guys when we get there.
We did. We're here.
Y'all, we have to pay to go to the bathroom.
Yeah.
Like, isn't that crazy? Yeah, we in Belize. We in Belize. For me to come out, it means that I'm not the job. I want the job. I want to show you my wow. Give me one break, I need faith. Faith to believe, faith to receive. Puppies. Big one, big one. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the Belize vlog. I just realized I have not said anything to you guys probably since we got here. It's just been living in the moment, enjoying ourselves. But as you can see, we are at an Airbnb. It's actually like a villa, so pretty. We're staying in like a villa here, so there's other like villa houses. Like, it's so gorgeous here. But we just got back from the beach. I forgot the name of the beach, so I'll put it up here. So we were there for a couple of hours, but it was really, really fun. So their transportation here is they drive around in golf carts. Like, I literally love that, and I feel like I can live here. We're about to shower, get ready, probably to go out later tonight, maybe dinner or something. So like I said, picking up the camera when I can. If I don't, it's just gonna be a montage because we're just living. It's just so pretty. I'm just so glad to be here, to be relaxing with my girls. Yeah, and my girl is turning 26. Okay, 26 tomorrow. So I have some balloons I want to decorate and stuff. Probably her birthday's on Tuesday, right? No, her birthday's on Monday, so probably decorate it on like Sunday night. The beach, like eating in the water, was actually so nice. The water was clear. We met these random little boys that was trying to take over our little boat thing that was on. It was so crazy. Like, so I feel like being in like this villa slash like Airbnb, you get to experience like the real side of like a country that you're in versus like staying on a resort. Like, I feel like we're really seeing the countryside and also being in the tourist side, because where we at is like a very touristy vibe all around us. But then we drive in the golf carts to where we had to go, which was like the beach. The beach was like an hour away, so we had to drive really far. But it didn't really feel like it like when we were on the golf cart because it just was a good time. I will check in with you guys once we are going to dinner, and if I don't, then I will check in with you guys probably like tomorrow. My hair keeps out.
Lights up my life, and when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the bougie to my baby, cause she give me butterflies, baby, ooh love, and when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my word is right, baby, she gon' save me.
Are you? Ooh. Ooh. Hey guys, welcome to day, I think 3. We are heading to a yacht boat ride to go snorkeling, have a great time. So we're heading to the boat now, and it is super hot, y'all. I'm wearing this cute whole piece. Everybody has a boat. So pretty, y'all. I love it here.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment, you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around you, you make me feel low.
Feeding sharks, y'all.
Whenever I'm out, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I go my own. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. Oh, girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic anytime it's back together. I'm with that.
How clear the water is. Oh, it's so clear. Wow. This water is so clear. Y'all, we're about to jump in. I'm so excited. 4.
Bruh.
Really?
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment, whenever I hold you for my hand. So tight, coming closer.
This is my decision. This is my decision. I don't think you listen. You listen. I don't think you listen. For me to come out, it must mean I'm a teacher. It must mean I'm not the same. It must mean I'm my own case.
I'm gonna come right here. Okay. Sorry. Oh my god! Oh! Yeah! This is so cute! Lauren. I thought. Oh my god! Hey, yeah. Cheers to more life. Cheers to more traveling, good health, financial
freedom, a stronger relationship with God. Cheers to these wonderful ladies. Without y'all, this trip wouldn't have been as fun as it was. So I love you guys and I appreciate y'all spending this day with me.
Cheers! For the rest of the night, we had girl talk for a couple hours, just chatting. Then we went to dinner. Then we went out, just exploring the night for our last night. So we really enjoyed ourselves. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.